This video walks you through the on-screen prompts that guide employees through account creation and setup the first time they log into Ramp. Start in your email. Look for an invite from Ramp in your inbox. It will come from communications@ramp.com with the subject name Join Your Company Name on Ramp. Once you see that email, click Accept Invite to create your account. You'll either create a password or sign in through your company's single sign-on, depending on how your account is set up. Once you're in, you'll be prompted to confirm a few basic steps before you land within the app. If your company uploaded a policy document, you'll be required to read it and sign it. Where it says employee signature, you'll enter in your name. Once you type in your name, you can click Sign In and continue. Next, Ramp will ask you to verify your phone number. We highly recommend verifying your phone number as this helps secure your account and makes it easier to send receipts and memos on the go. Enter in your phone number here. Choose your delivery method to receive the code via text, call, or WhatsApp. Once you've selected that, go ahead and click Send Code. Enter in the verification code and then click Verify. On this page, you can set up passkeys to sign into Ramp with and verify it, or skip for now. Here, you can set up an authenticator app if you wish to do so, or you could do it later through your settings. Scan the QR code here to download the Ramp app on your phone to submit receipts and reimbursements in seconds, as well as add your cards to your wallet with the click of a button. Click Finish Setup to access Ramp. You are now in the Ramp platform. Head over to your setup guide to complete your onboarding. And then you are all set up.